I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard, Create Integrations. Search and select a trigger Gutena Forms. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form site and fill it out to retrieve the Gutena Forms. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Search and select Freshsales. Give here account URL and API token. So go to your Freshsales site and go to API setting. After Google verification, copy the API key and account URL and paste those in the integration. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a module. Select a account view. Select a account. Now, map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. So go to your Freshsales site and refresh the page. Here you can see the data came successfully in the Freshsales. Thanks for watching.